Hello friends, now I'll be explaining you about IGD10 brake adjustment process. This is the tools list for that. So for that we'll require two 16 mm spanners and one filler gauge. Thank you. So this is the brake adjustment process in IGD10 machine. So once we check it with the filler gauge, if we want to increase the bolt, we will have to screw in the bolt towards the brake side, and if we want to decrease the gap, we will have to screw out the bolt. And the range of the gap which should be maintained between 0.25 to 0.20, wherein 0.25 is go and 0.25 should not go. So we will adjust both the sides. We need to check the spring tension, and it also can be adjusted, and the spring tension should be given as per the manual, and the ruler is also given to find out what is the correct spring tension. Thank you.